Building your own gaming PC is an exciting endeavor that allows you to create a customized gaming experience tailored to your specific needs and preferences. To embark on this journey, you need to start with careful planning and research. Begin by setting a budget for your build and determining your gaming requirements. Consider the types of games you play and their system requirements to get a sense of the hardware specifications you'll need. In today's video, we will be showing you how to building your own gaming PC, a step-by-step guide. Without further ado, let's begin. Once you have a budget and an understanding of your requirements, it's time to select the components for your gaming PC. Start with the central processing unit, CPU, which serves as the brain of your computer. Research different CPU models, compare their specifications, and choose one that fits your budget and gaming needs. Consider factors like clock speed, core count, and cache size. Next, focus on the graphics processing unit, GPU, which is responsible for rendering the visuals in your games. Look for a high-performance GPU that can handle the demands of modern games and deliver smooth gameplay. Consider factors like VRAM, video RAM, clock speed, and cooling solutions. It's important to choose a GPU that is compatible with your monitor and can deliver the graphics quality you desire. The motherboard is the central component that connects all the other parts of your gaming PC. It's crucial to choose a motherboard that is compatible with your chosen CPU and GPU. Consider factors like the chipset, socket compatibility, expansion slots, RAM capacity, and connectivity options such as USB ports and audio jacks. Make sure the motherboard has all the features you need for your gaming setup. RAM, random access memory, is essential for smooth gaming performance. Select RAM modules that offer sufficient capacity and speed to handle your gaming and multitasking needs effectively. Consider factors like frequency, latency, and compatibility with your motherboard. Opt for reliable and reputable brands to ensure stability and performance. Storage is another important consideration when building a gaming PC. Solid-state drives, SSDs, provide fast boot times and quick game loading, while hard disk drives, HDDs, offer larger storage capacities at a lower cost per gigabyte. Consider your storage needs and budget when choosing between SSDs and HDDs. You may also opt for a combination of both to balance speed and storage capacity. A reliable power supply unit, PS2, is crucial to ensure stable and efficient power delivery to your components. Choose a PSU with enough wattage to handle your system's requirements, and consider factors like efficiency ratings, modular or non-modular design, and the 80+ certification for energy efficiency. Investing in a high-quality PSU will protect your components and provide consistent power to your gaming PC. Selecting the right case is not just about aesthetics. It also affects the functionality and cooling of your gaming PC. Choose a case that can accommodate your chosen components and offers sufficient airflow for cooling. Look for features like good cable management options, dust filters, and room for future upgrades. Consider the size, design, and additional features that align with your preferences. Once you have gathered all the necessary components, it's time to start the assembly process. Set up a clean and organized workspace with all the required tools. Begin by installing the CPU onto the motherboard, following the specific instructions provided by the manufacturer. Apply thermal paste to ensure proper heat transfer and attach the CPU cooler securely. Next, install the RAM modules into the appropriate slots on the motherboard. Press them firmly until they click into place. Mount the motherboard into the case, aligning it with the standoffs, and secure it using screws. Connect the necessary cables, such as power cables for the motherboard, CPU, GPU, and storage devices. Don't forget to connect any additional components like case fans and RGB lighting. After connecting all the components, it's important to ensure proper cable management. Arrange the cables neatly and use cable ties or Velcro straps to secure them and improve airflow inside the case. This not only helps with aesthetics, but also promotes efficient cooling. Before closing the case, double-check all the connections to ensure everything is properly seated and securely fastened. Take a moment to appreciate your hard work and attention to detail. Finally, close the case and connect your peripherals, such as the keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Once your gaming PC is assembled, it's time to power it on and install the operating system and necessary drivers. Follow the prompts provided by the operating system installer and make sure to install the latest drivers for your components from the manufacturer's websites. Run benchmarking tests to ensure that your system is performing optimally and adjust settings as necessary. Now that you have completed the initial assembly of your gaming PC, it's time to move on to the post-assembly steps. These steps will ensure that your system is properly configured and optimized for gaming. The first step is to power on your newly built PC and access the BIOS, Basic Input/Output System, or UEFI, Unified Extensible Firmware Interface settings. This is where you can adjust various system settings, including boot order, RAM frequency, and CPU overclocking. Refer to your motherboard's manual for specific instructions on accessing the BIOS or UEFI settings. Once in the BIOS/UEFI settings, check that all the installed hardware components are detected correctly. Verify that the RAM is running at the intended frequency and that the CPU is recognized with the correct clock speed. If any discrepancies are found, consult the respective component manuals or online resources for troubleshooting guidance. Next, it's time to install the operating system, OS, of your choice. Prepare a bootable USB drive with the OS installer or insert the installation disk into the optical drive, if applicable. Restart your PC and boot from the USB or DVD drive. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the OS, making sure to select the desired storage drive for the installation. After the OS installation is complete, it's important to install the necessary drivers for your components. Start with the chipset drivers provided by the motherboard manufacturer. These drivers ensure proper communication between the motherboard and other hardware components. Visit the manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers for your specific motherboard model. Next, install the graphics card drivers. Visit the website of the GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA or AMD, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card model. Make sure to choose the appropriate driver version for your specific operating system. In addition to the chipset and graphics card drivers, it's also important to install drivers for other components, such as the sound card, network adapter, and peripherals. Check the manufacturer's websites for the latest drivers and software updates for these components. Once all the necessary drivers are installed, it's a good idea to run Windows Update to ensure that your operating system is up to date with the latest security patches and software improvements. Lastly, don't forget to set up proper security measures for your gaming PC. Install reliable antivirus software and keep it up to date to protect your system from malware and other threats. Building your own gaming PC allows you to create a customized gaming experience tailored to your preferences. By carefully planning, researching, selecting components, and assembling your gaming PC, you'll have a system that delivers the performance and satisfaction you desire. Enjoy the process, embrace the learning opportunities, and unleash your gaming potential with a PC you built with your own hands. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.